Hi there, Beat Calculator here, and welcome back to another video. What is percentage? Why do we use it? Where do we use it? The answer to all of these burning questions are revealed in this very quick Intro to Percentages video. First of all, what is percentage? Well, here's the root word, percent. Let's split this in half, per and cent. Cent simply means 100, so percentage is per 100. If we're writing an amount as a percentage, we're writing it as a number out of 100. Obviously, writing out of 100 every time would be a bore, so we use a symbol to represent this, called the percentage symbol, shown on screen. To make a bit more sense out of this, let's have 50%. 50% is just 50 over 100. Over the coming videos, we'll dive more into how to find percentages of amounts, how to convert percentages into fractions and decimals, and how to convert fractions and decimals into percentages, as well as percentage change and finding the original value. Aren't you lucky? For now, let's take a look at why we use percentages. Mainly, we use percentages for comparing. 3 over 10 and 30 over 100 are hard to compare, as they have different denominators. But if we know that they're both 30%, it makes it a lot easier. Before we wrap up for today, where do we use percentage? Often, you might see them being used in stores when stuff is on sale. Different products have different price tags, but showing the percentage reduction allows you to compare the best offers. Shops aren't the only place though. Percentages are used throughout banking and stock markets to show how much your money has increased or decreased. Also, they come up a lot on maths questions, so percentages are very important to know about. That's all for this video. We'll see you next week with some more percentage fun. Be sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Beat Calculator. Thanks for watching, and see you next week.